Hello viewers, this is Kanis Rahman. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you my recent video. I did this video in the park and it was so fun over there. We did a barbecue and we cook out something at home and we took it to the park. Especially I like to thank to Rosie auntie because she planned everything. She is so sweet and I just loved her. Only for her we enjoyed a lot. This park is actually in my area in Newportnews, Virginia. It's called Sandy Bottom Nature Park. It has so good nature over there, and there is a lake and there is a lots of picnic spot. You can booking and enjoy it all day long. I took my 2 kids and my dad over there. They enjoyed a lot, yeah. And here is our barbecue.
ডান
দেখি আমি কেমন পারি সব করে দেখাই
হ্যাঁ
না ও মানে পোড়া পোড়া হোক মানে একদিকে তারপর দিকে
আমি তো মশলা সব মিক্স করে আসি আমার বিয়ে এখন সেইটার মধ্যে একটুখানি লবণ দিয়ে সব ক্রেডিট নিতেছে
নাড়াটাই নাড়তে
দেখেন বিয়ে সাহেব হাত পুরায়েন না
হয়েছে
ভাবি রান্না করতেছে এই ছবি খালাম মাসেন কেউ আসে না খালাম মাসেন দেখো তো কিছু না পাক নিয়ে যাচ্ছে হয় কি আরে পায় না কি করব আমি তো উঠি কি ঘাস দিছে
আমি ক্যামেরা ভিডিও ফ্যান
ভিডিও হইতেছে ছবি তুলো শোনা
বেশি পুড়ে গেল
হ্যাঁ এটা ভাই কই রেখে চলে গেল আপনার বর কোথায় গেল হ্যাঁ আমার ছেলেকে রেখে চলে গেল
Here's my 2 little one try to convince me, Ma, take us out, please. But I'm the mother. I'm so strict about it because they enjoyed a lot. They was running around everywhere, messing around everywhere because there is too many dry leaves, and my oldest one found the sticks and he started playing with that. Whatever it is, I cannot tolerate.
Dominant than it was now than the entire like this has grown because you can use I think this is complicated probably able to use. I mean
Here's some picture. This is Roshni Apu. She has two cute babies, and that's the little one. And this little one and my oldest one born in the same day, April 14, 2017. That's why they're so special to me. They are the Novoborsho babies. They are only 4 hours apart, so it was so amazing. Here's Bhaiya and Apu. They are so special to me. I love them so much. Here is some dessert. Somebody made it, and it was so delicious. I don't know who did it. And we have some rasgulla. Titi auntie made it, and she is the best for sweet, And here is some of the leftover chicken items, and I made one new friend. Here is my Rosie auntie. She just awesome. She planned everything, and all the credit goes to her. And here is everybody. I have such a nice day with everybody, and I really enjoyed a lot.
মামিটা কি করবে, বারবিকিউ করবে এবার।